Hi, I'm Patsy Kensit and I'm so happy to be on the cover of April's edition of Good Housekeeping. And now I'm going to air my laundry. I'm a bit of a handyman. I love hardware stores. They really excite me. You go in, they've got every possible light bulb that you might someday need, or a screw, or some sort of... I just could get lost for hours in the hardware store. It makes me really happy. I wish that I had been able to enjoy from my childhood up until now, to enjoy each day and keep it in the day, and to stop what I'm a terrible worrier. I'm very dedicated to meditation now. I do lots of breathing work, and things are really, really good. I had a horrible couple of few years and things are really, really good. I'm a bit OCD, so I tend to hoover a lot, and I can't bear chaos, and I like everything just to be calm and in order. Book I'm reading by Julia Cameron. It's called The Artist's Way, and it's like a 12-step kind of program to reawakening the artist within yourself. She was Martin Scorsese for many years, and this is kind of a go-to reintroducing yourself to what you loved about acting or painting or writing, and that sometimes that can not be so great, and this book is meant to like revitalize you. So that's something I'm reading at the moment, as well as I normally read a couple of books at a time. I'm reading Me with My Sister, Madonna by Christopher Jacone, and it's a tell-all book. I'm afraid to say it's fascinating. Hiding Behind the Coal Bunker, where I lived in like 2 rooms growing up. We were very poor. We had an outside toilet, and I was terrified of having my picture taken as a child, and most of pictures taken me between the ages 3 and 4, I was normally screaming, crying, which is interesting because I went into an industry which is all about being looked at. A roast chicken that I do, and it's rubbed in light virgin olive oil, tiny slices of garlic, lemon, and I put parma ham over that, and then that goes in the oven, and halfway through you take the lid off, and then the parmesan has gone like crackling, and it's just yummy. And that's if I'm cooking Christmas dinner, I'd rather do that than turkey. We're not a great fan of turkey in my house. I go to bed so early. I mean, I'm literally asleep by 9, and nothing really, and that's a beautiful thing to say, because I've had times when I had a lot of worry and stress, and I had a dreamless sleep last night, and that was beautiful. Falling off a building, I've got terrible vertigo, so that would be like my knees would just go underneath me. I can't stand heights. If I didn't have a Hoover, mine broke recently, I had to rebuy another one, which is very exciting. I'd say the Hoover is like a must-have. Oh God, the other morning I was watching something, I thought a documentary or something, I just burst into tears. I don't know what that was about, but anyway, I had a cry. I've been in so many UK, I've been all around the world and done it, the cheap way when I was, a teenager or whatever, and then through my work, the world opened up to me, and I feel like I've packed a lot into my life. I thought all last year that I was 57, and one of my girlfriends had to point out to me, no, you're 56, Patsy, you're 57 in next year, which is 2025. So I get to be 57 again, and I'm choosing to enjoy that. Get to do it once more. I was convinced I was 56. Not that there's any problem with either of that, it just shows where my head's at. And now I'm going to answer your quick fire questions. Invisibility. Extra layer. Neither. Oven baked. Oh, real fire. Neither. Supermarket. Yeah, how long have you got? I can't quick fire that. I've had a lot of embarrassing moments. Nick Haywood from Haircut 100. My cat, Bowie. I don't have one. I don't want to punish people by singing. Their ears will bleed. To surrender to the flow and the unfolding of my life.